Redmi Turbo 4 is coming and will stick to the current trend of flat displays. What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. The new Redmi Turbo 4 is a 5G capable phone and the Turbo 4 will feature Snapdragon 8s Gen 4 and the Turbo 4 will feature Snapdragon 8s Gen 4. Talk about the other features. Xiaomi Redmi Turbo 4 a big 6.67 inches AMOLED touchscreen display that delivers the sharp resolution of 1220 by 2712 pixels. The Redmi Turbo 4 Pro should come with the new battery technology, which allows for battery capacity of over 6000 mAh without compromising the phone internal architecture. The smartphone will be 12 and 16 GB of RAM with a buttery smooth refresh rate of 120 Hz and 256, 512 GB and 1 TB of internal memory capacity. There will be dual camera on the back and front camera will be single camera. There will be under display optical fingerprint sensor. That's all for now and thanks for watching.